Perplexity Comet versus Hika. So Perplexity Comet is actually an AI browser while Hika is just a search engine website. So in this video, we will compare these two together in order to see which one is better. So first, Perplexity Comet. This is already an app itself or a web browser that integrates Perplexity AI to provide a conversational and intelligent browsing experience. It compares and summarizes information, it helps with task automation, it helps with contextual awareness, and it has Chromium capability supporting existing Chrome extension. It's best for research, deep work, and handling multiple tabs and automating complex or repetitive browser tasks. Meanwhile, Hika is actually a website. You can find it by going to hika.fyi. And then it's actually something that's focused on simple and clean interface for quick tasks. It has a user-friendly interface designed to be less overwhelming and more natural to use. It provides smart assistance for simple and daily task workflows. It has multimodals and it uses other models like GPT, Claude, and the likes. So you can actually add in here or ask a question and it will help you with this. It's best for users who want a straightforward AI assistant for quick and simple tasks. So if you're someone who wants to integrate AI into your browser, that Comet browser is for you. Do take note that it has the highest subscription fee. If you want to have a free alternative and you just want to have it as an assistant, then Hika is the one for you. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.